Top 10 creepy spy apps secretly tracking your every move. It's no secret that applications collect your data. There were millions of Android apps that sent user data to big technology companies last year. But while some of them gather information about you, others might be watching your every move. Stay tuned as we count down the top 10 apps secretly tracking you, ranging from social media to invisible applications that are impossible to find. But first, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so that you never miss a video. Number 10. AccuWeather. Who doesn't like a good weather app? It has become so convenient to check your phone before going out so that you know what to wear. Chance of rain? Better take your jacket. But some of this information comes at a cost. One of the most popular weather apps is AccuWeather, which has been around decades before the smartphone had even been invented. But since 2011, they have been one of the most popular weather applications available. In 2015, they had 9.5 billion requests for data each day. All of this sounds pretty good, but the way that they have handled user data in the past might make you think twice about using it. In 2017, they were caught sending users' location data to a third party, even when users turned off sharing. AccuWeather was sending the Wi-Fi router name and its MAC address to Reveal Mobile, which is a company that monetizes user data. And after AccuWeather didn't fix the privacy flaws, it might be time to use a different weather app. Number 9. Words with Friends. For a time, it felt like everyone was playing Words with Friends. It has over 10 million downloads on Android and has been one of the most popular mobile games of all time. And you might have wondered just exactly how it is that they make money. Well, sure, some of it is from their in-game advertisements, but a big chunk of it is by selling all of the information that they have about you. And it's not just the words that you think are clever. Zynga, the company that owns Words with Friends, collects your name, gender, email, age, and birthday. But some things are even creepier. They use your physical location, the contacts from your address book, Facebook ID, and even your MAC address. So, if you are thinking about playing in the future, you should know that the words are being shared with much more than just your friends. Number 8. TikTok. If you are one of the millions of people using TikTok, it might not all be fun and games. Underneath all of the dancing, lip-syncing, and chatting, there is a dark side to TikTok. Over the last couple of years, it has been revealed that TikTok is collecting much more data than any other social media application. If you have TikTok on your phone, then your IP address, Wi-Fi network, other installed apps, and location data might all be visible. The scariest thing is that it's not known where all of your information goes. It's owned by Chinese company ByteDance, and some even claim that TikTok was spyware developed by the Chinese government. That's why in multiple countries the application is banned. But it hasn't stopped TikTok from becoming one of the most popular apps in the world. Number 7. Facebook. Near the top of the list is still Facebook, the most popular social media platform in the world. It might connect you to your friends and family, but it also connects you to the advertising ecosystem that helps to value Facebook's parent company, Meta, at $500 billion. Facebook uses all of your behavior, interactions, and data to send to advertisers. And it's not just on Facebook. Even on different websites that have integrated the app, your movements are being tracked. When Apple tightened up their system and allowed users to opt out of tracking, Facebook said that it would cost them $10 billion a year. It's a good time to be an Apple user. Number 6. Umobix. Creepier than collecting user data are the apps that record almost everything that you do. We are talking about applications that somebody might have installed on your device without you knowing. First up is Umobix, which is designed for Android devices. Once installed, it will track social media activity from apps like Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, and all of the most popular platforms. And even more creepy, it will send the GPS location of the device to whoever installed it. If this information made you check your phone, don't bother. The app is totally hidden and won't show up on your app's page. you can delete it either through a factory reset or by going into safe mode. And if you find it there, you might have to question everyone close to you. Number 5. Mobile Spy. You know in the movies how there is a dashboard in front of the intelligence agents where they can see every move someone makes? Well, that app exists. It's called Mobile Spy, and after installing it on a device, you can see the location, photos, videos, and anything else someone is doing on their phone. The company offers 2 versions, one for parents who want to track what their kids are up to, and one for businesses. So, if your workplace gives you a phone to use, make sure you are careful when using it. They might be watching. Number 4. PC Tattletail. No one likes a tattletale, right? Well, that is unless you really need to know what your children are up to. The website says that it runs invisibly in the background and cannot be detected. That's because kids are getting more and more tech-savvy these days. They know what to look for and where to find it. PC Tattletail uses sophisticated keylogging technology to record everything typed and clicked on. All of the information gathered is stored on a cloud service which can be accessed by the parents at any time. The days of kids having secret lives are definitely over. Number 3. Terramind. Another piece of software for the workplace is called Terramind. It's designed to keep track of what employees are doing and to make sure that they aren't wasting any time. Terramind can block harmful websites, compare employee performance, and even notify the company when work isn't getting done. It tells bosses exactly what workers are doing each day and can even screen record, which is helpful in 2022 when many of our meetings are still held on Zoom. So make sure that you really are talking about work in those Zoom meetings and not just playing around with the backgrounds. Number 2. Flexispy. This next one takes surveillance to a whole new level. It has all of the standard features like GPS tracking and social media recording. There is another scary capability. It can record your phone calls and even give someone access to your camera. It doesn't matter if the call is on WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, or the phone service. This app can record it. The company's website says that it was the world's first commercial spy phone application. We're not sure that's something to be proud of. Number 1. MSpy. For around $50 a month, you can install an application that will tell you everything somebody is doing on their phone. You can see what they have been searching for, read their texts, and find out where they have been, all without the user having any idea. You can even see deleted messages. The app is marketed as a phone tracker for parental control, but there's no doubt that it is used for more sinister purposes. It is often ranked number 1 as the most comprehensive monitoring app on the market. And unlike some of the others on the list, it works on all devices and it guarantees that the user of the phone will never notice anything wrong. Did this list freak you out? We don't know about you, but we will definitely be checking our phones to make sure nobody is watching. If you enjoyed the video and want more, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.